Too easy. Island of Jamaica, yeah. Hey, what's happening, beautiful people? We got Maurice Rowe right here. You already know.
Ricky Too Clean.
Yep, channel gonna be in the description link and all of that. So y'all go check it out. Let's go. So today we got a challenge going on. So we're gonna do this challenge, but we're gonna incorporate a game that we used to play in Jamaica that's called Burns.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get hit. The amount of misses you get, there's a scoreboard right here, so it's gonna tell you the amount of misses you get, and when it comes to the end, that's how many hits you get on your hand. We ain't gonna hold back.
Good luck. Round one.
Man, I suck. Oh, this is not good. I didn't get nothing, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Come on. Ducks. Woo! Good shot. Reload. Missed that one. Ugh.
Nah, yeah, I'm gonna beat him now.
You ain't good. Let's get it. What I do? Hunt ducks. Oh, that was close. Woo! It's your turn, boy. So the game's done. one.
Percentage.
44%.
Ranking. Amateur. Hunter. 2 hits.
Quack, quack,
Oh man.
Percentage.
7. He getting 7 hits, boy.
Ranking. Keep practicing.
Keep practicing, boy.
Winner.
Okay. Now we reached the fun part. Let's get it. We came to the end of the game. This is the loser side. He missed 7. I missed 5. So I'm gonna give him 7 hits right there.
Oh
We're gonna set
man.
5 hits right here. So let's go. Rock, paper, scissors. Who hits who first?
You gotta think of that ring, bro. You gotta think of that ring,
Let me
bro.
get this. 1, 2, 3, shoot.
Alright.
Okay. Woo!
Best of the 3? Best of the 3?
Alright, let's go. One again. I stay with it, man. Let's go, man. That's one. That's one.
You gonna get 5.
I'ma make my count, boy. This is 2. I just gave him a look. That was a little bit. It ain't enough, man. Come on, man. Alright, this number 3. Hey.
How much that? 7?
That's 4.
That's 7, bro.
That's only 4.
Yeah, my hand's getting wet.
So that was just a little bit. I just messed with him on that one. You know what I mean? What? It's 5, boy. Whoa! Hey. That's so good. I mean, I got one more, boy.
One more.
Woo!
One
Hey.
more.
I'm gonna make this round count.
I'm dying.
Yeah! That's how we do. Alright, it's my turn now.
So he got 5. I need to hit him 5 times.
Okay?
Alright.
Woo! It
Revenge
feels like it hurts.
is best served when it's cold. No!
Nah, he ain't ready. He ain't
No!
ready. That was soft.
Alright.
He ain't ready. Let go. That's one. Let go. Soft. He ain't ready. He ain't ready. This is what I do. He ain't ready. Let go.
On the same hand. Alright.
Same hand, boy. He ain't ready. That's what I'm saying. He ain't ready. Let's go. I'm ready.
How much that?
That's like 3.
3?
We got 2 more. Let's go. I'm using one hand. One hand. 1. Let's go. 1. 1. One hand. That's what I'm using. 1. Let's go. He ain't ready for this.
The last one.
He ain't ready for this.
You gonna get the last one.
He ain't ready for this.
Ah, shoot.
Come on, man.
Oh,
So,
man.
that's the end of the challenge, man.
I'm gonna
I
get you
had
next time,
fun.
though.
I had
I'm
fun,
getting
man.
excited.
Fun. We gonna do some stuff on his channel, so y'all check it out. Yeah, and we out. Ah!